Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 145. I am very glad to inform you that our business has turned out very satisfactorily indeed during the past year. Notwithstanding that, much has militated against our progress. Before dealing with the figures in the accounts, I think it is necessary for me to recall to your minds what I said at our last meeting. You will probably remember these words. On this occasion, we have to meet an adverse balance, and it is deemed necessary to take immediate steps to improve our position. At the beginning of the year, we brought forward a substantial amount, and now we are faced with a deficit. I am persuaded, however, that we could not have done better owing to the peculiar circumstances which were in operation during the year. Those who were present at the meeting in all probability remember the statement on this matter in the report. It was felt that by some means we must regain our position, and therefore every circumstance likely to have affected the profitable working of the company was considered, and the result reflects great credit on all those who are concerned in the reorganization, and I think that you are satisfied in this respect. Full stop.